whisper truths as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars
Ruby, you've already removed your shoes.
teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Mami, ni yako na refu hivi ama ni nini? Hii ni nini kubwa hivi? Mimi nahitaji kulimiwa. Nimejua kwa nini mama anasemaga mihogo inafaa kulimiwa na watu wengi. Hii inakaa vizuri.
na watoto wake.
We, hiyo mahindi inakaa vizuri. Hilo ni mbuyu.
Hii ni mkuyu.
Mbuyu.
Ule mbele kuteremka sasa mpaka kule.
Oye, hivyo ndio mchicha wanaiweka. Ambia baba kuja na viatu za Lisa. Ambia baba ateremka nazo baba. Baba ako huko. Baba ako huko juu.
Baba. Baba. Toka na irato cia Lisa si hao mwembele.
Hizi za Mel Popo.
The wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving
Nipe moja baba.
the roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truths as they flow down. Their songs entwined with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in
wakati wa kiangazi, hiyo inakauka wakati wa kiangazi.
teach me the language of rustling leaves,
Ni wabaji
stories that linger
watu wako shamba.
of the breeze.
Hey.
Moonlight spills the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers
Aya,
whisper
inaweza?
truths as they
Ikuange huku.
flow down. Their songs entwined with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truths as they flow down. Their songs entwined with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand, each echo